Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Thanksgiving. I would like to keep you guys entertained while we all wait for that turkey to finish roasting. So I just want to show you guys this quick little centerpiece that I will be having on my table while we dig in. So we're going to start off with this cute little harvest basket that I got at Walmart, as well with this floral foam and this really cute harvest scarecrow that I also found at Walmart. These flowers and leaves I purchased at Dollar Tree, as well as the straw barrels. So we're gonna start off by putting the floral foam inside of the basket. I just wanna measure it, make sure that it's nice and centered. I'm going to take the scarecrow and just make a indication of where I want it to be, which of course will be the middle. So once I do that, I go ahead and remove it and I start taking apart my flowers. So I'm going to start off by just also making an indication in the floral foam of where I would like the flowers, which will be all around the rim of the floral foam. And I'm going to make sure that I do that in a pattern. So I have to make sure I leave enough space because I do want to add the fall leaves in between the flowers just to make it look more full. So I'm going in and just putting in the fall leaves in between my flowers. Some of it is not caught on camera, but that's exactly what I'm doing. So it looks like I'm all done, and I am going to go ahead and grab my basket and just put the flowers inside. And I'm also going to take the scarecrow and put it in the indication that I made in the beginning of the video. And it looks good, but to me it's not sturdy enough. So I'm going to go ahead and take the straw barrels, and I'm actually going to use only one of them. I'm going to take it apart and make sure that I pile it all in the center where the scarecrow is standing, just to give a little bit more weight. As you guys can see, as soon as you open the packaging for the barrel, it is just so messy. So yeah, just a warning, if you ever do want to make any DIY with this type of material, it is going to get everywhere. Okay guys, so as you can see, I only needed half of one barrel to fill up my basket, just to give it enough weight so the scarecrow is not shifting around. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I think it is so cute, and I can't wait for my family to see this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The description of the products will be below. And happy Thanksgiving, guys. Enjoy.